Great to be able to share this moment with your family. It's been evident since day one when you've had on this team and you'll carry this journey in your heart. So it's my real pleasure to introduce you as our first captain for our maiden journey. We know the team's in good hands. If you'd like to come and accept this, Hoy.
Alo ke tuelang runga pe ko ni taula maha mo ni tataki mai tau mo ni tau asia mai a see my family here during their songs undescribable. We never cried this many times in a team environment. The bond, the brotherhood, the connections that we have from the bottom of my heart and my family, my village. This is our village. These are the people we defend for from the bottom of our hearts. So I just want to say thank you to you, Aaron, and the rest of the boys, to the management and everyone in this organisation for blessing me with such an honourable position, and I'm truly humbled. Our people deserve this, and it's up to us to inspire the next generation.